In reference to making money online, priceless ideas are in this video. Earning a good amount of money requires hard work. The more effort you put into your revenue streams, the more money will begin to flow towards you. This is especially true for online work. This video can help you earn it. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Make good use of your downtime. There are quite a few things that can be done online that you don't have to focus much on. You can find a lot of them on mturk.com. You can do tasks like this while you're watching television. You won't make a fortune this way, but you will be putting some of that goof-off time to work for you. Begin a blog. Setting up and maintaining a blog is a great way to earn money online. By setting up an AdSense account, you can earn money for each click that you receive from your blog. Although these clicks often get you only a few cents, you can earn some hard cash with proper marketing. Check out the reviews before you hang your shingle at any one site. For example, working for Google as a search result verifier is a legit way to make some extra cash. Google is a huge company and they have a reputation to uphold, so you can trust them. Do you love to take photographs? If so, you can put those photographs online and begin making money. There are many websites that offer pay for your stunning photographs. Companies want beautiful photographs for brochures, pamphlets and websites. Therefore, you can sell the rights to companies for use of your photographs. Think about affiliate marketing for online income. With a working website or blog, you can attach affiliate links both in your content and through banners. These links will pay you each time one of your viewers clicks through. With the right affiliates, these links can lead to great dividends if you supply enough traffic. It will take a lot of hard work and dedication to make money online. Using good advice and working hard will make it easier to earn more money. Good luck and hopefully you have a lot of success in your future. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.